How's it going, guys? Today we're gonna be unboxing a go-kart, something a little different. So yeah, we're about to unbox this go-kart. Let me get this should work. All right, so fresh out of the box, you got the go-kart. But yeah, you get a little flash, cool. We ain't gonna be running that. But you get the wheels. You do have to put this together. I think it's mostly assembled, but there is some things you got to put together, like the wheels, the seat, probably like the throttle or something, maybe some fuel lines. And these some nice beefy tires though. Check out these. Got a tire. Let's see. Tire number 2. I think this is the seat, or the back part of the seat. Got that. Oh, it's in like one big bag. Well, there's the motor. Sheesh. Look at that. A little shock absorber right there. Is that adjustable? Damn. Get a little second guy right there. So yeah, this is like 90% assembled, so that's pretty lit. Let me see where I can. Damn, they even give you a little box of tools right here. Toolkit. Nice. You got that. It actually isn't that heavy. It's like probably like 60, 70 pounds, I'm guessing. Which is good. Weight reduction, you need that. So I'm gonna open this bag. All right, so I got the box out of the way, got everything out, got all the wheels positioned where they gotta go. I think the only thing you gotta really do is just put the gas tank in place, put the wheels on, get the steering wheel on. Yeah, you gotta get the steering wheel on, hook all that up. The seat, it looks like that's pretty simple to pop in. But yeah, it's mostly assembled, which is nice. So we're probably gonna get the wheels on first. All right, so I got all 4 wheels on. Super easy to put on. You just gotta slide them on, throw on the nut. Next thing up, gotta do the seat. You just pop these guys out. There's the screws down there, right here. And then this thing just sits on there, I think, like that. Boom. And you just kind of raise it up. And then just slide these back on through, like that. Boom. All right. Then you just gotta tighten them down. All right, it's coming together. Getting the steering wheel on. I just had to put this on real quick. You can adjust it too, which is kind of nice to if you want it lower or higher. Comes with the hardware you need. Just gonna pop it on there like that. I think that's how it goes. You got the steering wheel on. Super simple. This whole thing, honestly, is really easy to put together. So far, this is probably only taken me like, I don't know, 15 minutes. It's just mostly getting it out of the box, so it takes a while. Putting it all together, though, it's all like laid out, like they put the bolts in the spot for you. You just gotta take them out, reposition everything. It was just mostly, you know, just to make it in a smaller box. But it's coming together, though. Looks honestly pretty sick, I'm not gonna lie. I love the frame. It's pretty laid out nice. But we're gonna get this gas tank hooked up. It's just these 2 little screws. Pop those in. Well, we did find one flaw on this cart already. The freaking mounting hole does not line up at all. And I've switched it around, you know, and it wouldn't work anyways because the freaking gas line will be like this. You don't want that. So I'm gonna probably just drill out a hole or something. I don't really know how I'm gonna make it work because there isn't really anything to drill out. And I have this one already mocked up. I tried reversing it to see which way would be a little bit like more stiff, and it's not going anywhere, but over time, vibrations, this will just become loose. So I'm gonna try to get this secured a little bit better, but for now it's fine. It won't go anywhere. But that kind of just sucks that, like, how y'all gonna not like have this line up? That's hella funny. But we're almost done. I think next is just add gas and start her up. I mean, overall, honestly, it's like a solid cart. The only thing, like, there is a few things that suck though, like the gas tank not having a mounting hole right here, so I'm gonna have to make one to get that to work. But I mean, it's still solid though. It's not gonna go anywhere. But other than that, what other things? The turning radius kind of sucks. I mean, it's a go-kart. No, not really a lot of go-karts can turn well. At least ones like these. It's not like a street like racing go-kart. Those things can turn, but this is meant more for just all terrains in a way. It's got beefier tires at least, so they can go in the grass and rocky areas. So that's kind of nice. And it also has like a decent ground clearance too, so you don't have to worry about bottoming out on everything, which is kind of nice. Um, it's got like actual, like, you know, little shock absorbers in the rear, which is kind of cool. It gives a little bit of the frame stability. This thing is kind of harsh on your back, but I mean, it's a go-kart though. It has some like soft padding, which is good. You know, it's not the best, but it's better than not having any. What else? The switch, the kill switch is kind of weird. I mean, it works, but I don't know. That's the only thing that I think is having a problem is the kill switch. It works, it's just the button gets a little stuck, but you just gotta hit it a little harder. But for the kart though, we already got some performance mods coming up, so this is gonna be kind of cool. We're already gonna be making it faster, just out of the box. But let's see. Oh, nice. This is actually like pretty high quality too. But yeah, we got some mods coming. I think I got a cone too for this one. I don't know if it's this cone, but got a little intake cone. So it's gonna be coming together. We got some parts coming for this thing already. Another thing too, I do have another steering wheel from another go-kart that I used to have, and I might put it on here because I honestly miss just having the wheel. But I get it though because of your legs right here. It doesn't honestly get in the way that much. There's like actually plenty of space on this car, believe it or not. And you can even rest them like up here too, and the frame still protects your like foot in the front a little bit. But what else? The brakes are really good. It only has rear brakes, but I mean, that's how go-karts usually are. They only have one brake in the rear. But man, it works really good. And it has this little thing too that you can adjust like the sensitivity of it too. Like, you know, how much force, how touchy it is, I guess. Something like that. What else? It's not that heavy, so that's cool, you know. One person can lift this up pretty easily. It's probably like 70 pounds, maybe less. I'm gonna say probably like 70. But yeah, enough ranting about all these projects. Stay tuned. I'm gonna have more videos coming out.